Before you can understand the power of Spark, you need to understand how it fits into the context of big data. Big data is an overloaded term with no single definition, but most data scientists and engineers have a good sense of what we mean when we say Spark is good for working with big data. For me, you know you're working with big data when instead of using a single machine, it's easier to use a distributed system of multiple computers, perhaps dozens or hundreds of servers that you rent from an Amazon data center, than working on your own machine. To understand when our data becomes big data, you need to be familiar with the capabilities of modern hardware. For example, how long does it take for your CPU to add two numbers? How quickly can you look up an appointment if your calendar is already cached in your laptop's memory? How many seconds does it take to load your favorite song from your laptop's SSD storage? How much data can you download from Netflix in a minute? Knowing the rough answers to these type of questions is so critical that Peter Norvig, Director of Research at Google, has advised every programmer to learn them. In fact, the data community often refers to them as the numbers everyone should know. We'll explore these numbers now to give us context on big data, but these hardware concepts will show up throughout this course.